What's up YouTube and welcome to this video. So the video is about uploading your website to the internet, which will be based on HTML, CSS and JavaScript files. We will also have an image file so that we can test out that the links are working fine. So let me open the folder on the desktop. This folder only consists of an image. We will create some files. So the first will be index.html, and this should be exactly index.html. The I should be bigger because it's necessary for the website to work. We will also create a CSS file and a JavaScript file. So in the JavaScript file, we can write alert hello world to test out that the JavaScript file is working. In the style.css, we can write body and make the background color aquamarine. In the index.html, we can write some basic HTML code like a heading. We can also create an image tag with a source image 1.png. So this is our image in the folder. We can create a link to the CSS file as well. So link, and it already says style.css. Now link up the JavaScript file. We can say script and script.js. So we have connected our CSS, JavaScript and image file to this website. Now let's see how it looks. So the HTML, CSS and JavaScript and the image reference all works fine. So now let's go to the awardspace.com, which is a free web hosting website, and you can register here by your email. Register. Now it says log to your account. Now what you have to do is you have to go to your Gmail account. So Gmail, there will be a link. Just click the link and your account is opened, and now you can start working here. Now click on hosting tool domain manager, and here we have an option of create a free subdomain. You can select between these domains and you can write your website name. So I will click create, and this subdomain is ready for me. So I will go to the directory, and here I can create new files. So if I can create my website just right here. For now we have already created our website. So go to the upload, and we will upload all of our files. Press upload, and you can see that all of our files are here. And if I copy this, paste it here, you can see that my website is live. So my image is connected and my JavaScript and CSS, all of my files are connected. I can create a new directory here saying files, and I can put my image, script and CSS file inside this directory. And now I can open my index.html directly. If I refresh this, you can see that all of my content is gone. So I need to change the references because I have moved it inside the files directory. So I need to change my references. Then save. If I refresh this, then my image and all of my files are now connected. So this is how easy it is to upload a website. So this is all for the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.